we got Craig in the building with his McLaren. That thing is gorgeous. I've seen his car before one other time in person. Check his license plate. Geek Dad. That's sick. And then we got Michael in his Superlite. Check that out. If you guys aren't aware, those Superlights are a custom kit car that you build, and they have LS engines in them. I'm pretty sure that's right? Huh?
LT.
Oh, LT engines.
It's out of a 2017 Stingray.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. It was a Lamborghini Gallardo manual transmission.
I've heard that, yeah. They also have a Lamborghini Gallardo transmission. So everything is built, and you get the body shipped to you as a kit, and basically you have to custom make, I think you have to custom make your chassis for it to fit the body,
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Here's another shot of the Superlite for you guys. There's letting people sit in it. This thing is so cool. Look how low he is too. That is crazy. Seats, bare metal. Wow. So he said I could sit in it, so we're gonna try and attempt to get in this thing. So let's see. Holy crap, this thing is wild. Ugh. Gotta get my leg in. Holy crap. Dude. This is so wild. It feels like I'm in a fighter jet. Look at this. 6-speed gated transmission. And he said that the clutch and tranny are from a Lamborghini Gallardo, and they make a mating plate so that way you can make it work with the engine. That is so cool. Look at this. It looks like a legit fighter jet in here with all the switches and buttons. That is so cool. And I don't think these are actual windows. Yeah, it's just like a plexiglass. And the visibility in here is just like next to nothing. And you can see, looking in the rear view, you have like no visibility because you got this plate behind you. That is so wild. And obviously no passenger seat. He also said that it weighs like 2,500 pounds. So it feels super fast because of how light it is. And it pushes like, I think he said 420 to 450 horsepower. So that's pretty cool. Let's see how this goes. Gotta get my leg out here. Ugh. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. Yeah, he said he also has a little bit of body work to do on it, so it'll be done in a little while after he does the body work. It's just gonna look nice, so it's not gonna be anything major, but that's so cool. Hey guys, pardon the interruption, but today's video is sponsored by Autoan LED. Autoan LED actually went ahead and sent me some LED headlights, and what I love about these headlights is they are super bright. I went ahead and got the 6000K colorway, which is a super bright white because I like to see at night, and these lights actually do a really good job at shining really bright light, have a wide distance, and they do very well. So if you guys want, go ahead, click the link in the description, and if you follow me on Instagram, click the link in my Instagram and use the discount code to get 15% off of your order. Autoan LED, thank you so much. Alright guys, so check out this car. This car has a shot of 350 nitrous in it. This thing is absolutely wild. It's a freaking hot rod car, and he's pushing 900 horsepower in this thing. He doesn't have the nitrous bottle in it right now, but he just showed us the setup, and it's in his trunk. This thing is crazy. Who would have thought that an older car like this could push that amount of horsepower and be built with a nitrous bottle? That's wild. You guys, we got a McLaren GT that came in. This first one I've ever seen. This is crazy. Go give him a check out on Instagram, Dre Cut. I'll have to hit him up and see if he's down to do a video. I was just chatting with him. This thing is wild. I love the color combination with the camo. That is sick. Yeah, he's even got the 360 cam on it, the gap camera. That is so cool. So I was just talking with Dre, the McLaren GT owner, and he said we could set something up to do a ride along, and he has like 5 other cars that we could do a video with. So look forward to that whenever that is. So that's gonna be pretty fun. since it is a really rare car, that should be a really good video for you guys to see. So can't wait for that. I'll let you guys know and keep you guys updated on when we come out with a day of when we're going to shoot the video. Check out this RX-7. This thing is gorgeous. Love the wheel choice on it too. That is so cool. Love the color. You can kind of briefly see under the hood as well that he's got some stuff done to it. Don't know what, but I would love to find the owner and talk to him and see what he's done to it.
Every time I drive it, like I'll like get it ready.
You just open the hood for a second. Check that out. That's so cool.
But it's just a little sitter, dude.
Check this out, you guys. One thing I didn't notice on the Red RX-7, he's got the gauges on the passenger side on the dash. That is crazy. If you're sitting in the passenger seat, the passenger can see all the gauges and everything as well. I haven't seen that kind of setup before. Check out the wrap on this Tesla. This thing is cool. That's wild. I haven't seen a black color like that before. Color shifting, purple and green. Got a sick GT4 pulling in. That thing is crazy. That's beautiful. Sounds aggressive too. Yeesh. And then we got Luna the Supra. She got a new livery put on. If you guys don't know who she is, she won this Toyota Supra off of an 80/80 giveaway by just buying a t-shirt. So custom wide body kit, wheels, whole interior. This is sick. Before she had a purple Red Bull wrap job, and that's the last time I saw it. She got TJ Hunt on the fender. That's cool. Not sure what it's supposed to be. It looks like an old like map of some sort. I don't know. Not too sure what it's supposed to be. But she's got like a bunch of hidden like little Easter eggs, like some sayings on there, some names like TJ Hunt's name. That's crazy. Man, there is a lot of people here today. It's a great turnout for Easter Cars and Coffee. There's probably like 500 plus people here. I wasn't sure how well the turnout was gonna be because it's a nice day. So I hoped that there would have been a lot of people, but also it's Easter. So I also thought that people were gonna be home with their families. So it's also gonna probably not be a good turnout, but it ends up being a very good turnout. Beautiful day today. So I'm very happy with the turnout. So a couple weeks ago, there was a Pontiac Fiero race car that showed up at Cars and Coffee. Well, here's a stock one for you guys that don't know what they look like, but this is what they originally look like. And then the other one that came in was fully customized into a race car. Pretty interesting to see the conversion from stock to what we saw last week. Check this thing out, military vehicle. That's wild.